So, hey guys, so welcome to our Christmas Trash Game Thursday. Now, Jack today is going to do something that one of the games that I really loved when I was younger, which was on the Commodore 64 plus 4, and this was Icicle Works. Now we found it on, well, Jack's found it on emulator.
Yeah. Funnily enough, like you can still get the plus 4 version like quite cheaply. I think I saw a listing for like $350, I think.
Show me I ain't got a plus 4 in it. We've got a Commodore 64 though. So, but yeah. So yeah, we've had a bit. Well,
but yeah, computer games that are generally like that old, you can find easily on a site called My Abandonware.
Oh wow, let's go and look at that. That's cool. Now we have had some issues with this today.
well, trying to figure out the game's trying to figure out the game's control scheme has been rocket science for me, honestly.
Yeah. And we're still not 100% we've got it. But we thought, well, we'll just have a look about it and see what we get. So, yeah. Hopefully we won't have any rage quitting from it. But, yeah. It's a fun game, kids. Remember, just realise it is. And if you ever made Icicle Works and you were that person or them people, then please make it. This would be great on a phone. It'd be a massively brilliant phone game to play just in your spare time. It's great. So.
Hope you brought a drink with you, by the way, because even on an SSD, these games take like 4 hours to load.
Yeah, so we're really enjoying them little candy screen stripes on that screen. So yeah, So we are looking for lots of different games for Christmas, but we played a lot last year, but we've not found many for this year, unfortunately.
Yeah, like we're running skimped, and well, this game is, like I said, this game is kind of abandonware, so really we're running out of Christmas themed games, without setting the sail in the 7 seas, of course.
Yeah. So copyright. Oh, Doug Turner. Yeah.
Made by one Doug Turner in 85.
Yeah, and Dougie is still at top at board on here as well, because we saw that earlier on. But we're going to try and knock Dougie off the board somehow. Remember, this were really cutting edge in 1985, guys. You know, this were a brilliant game.
Back in those days.
So you got some sort of little elfy, Christmassy looking Robin Hood type guy running around and shifting snow.
It's about as Christmassy as we can get.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. So for some reason it says room 4. I'm not sure why we got into room 4 from room 1, but
yeah, don't really know why it counts like that, but hey, I was the one having trouble trying to figure this out.
Oh, what happened then? Going out there.
Did I just run into I think I just ran into a penguin and exploded.
Right. Yeah, so there's penguins and little polar bears that you might see running around. I mean, there's a cute little sprites, these. Yeah, and if you let them out, then I think they follow you around board. Yeah, like that. You have to like it. Oh, no.
Like, I don't know why that's like. I don't know why that's like your primary instinct.
So as you can see, it's really exciting, and look at that. Oh no! Oh no! The polar bears look quite cute actually. Just jiggering around. So the whole point of the game is Icicle, basically. That's what you're trying to do. Get them prezzies and get that Icicle and not get crushed by snow or eaten by wild animals.
room 4 again.
I can't remember what all that fuzz stuff's about either. I think if you let that out, it just starts filling map up or something. Oh no!
That snowball wasn't even there, like, what?
It just fell off the edge.
Like, I'm just confused more than anything. Like everything's just happening for no apparent reason.
Oh, watch it, that's it.
Yeah, yeah, I knew it. That snowball just appeared out of thin air. It wasn't even there.
There we go. Oh no, penguins out and all now. It's all going on. Oh, penguin and polar bear fighting. Who's going to tell us that penguins and polar bears aren't on the same place in the world? Unless you're at the zoo. At least I think that. I might have to Google that. It's a sweet little game, this. There's no murdering going on. I mean, you might get eaten and stuff, but you don't see any blood and gore. Oh!
What?
How did that happen? It must
Nothing hit me!
Fun days.
Did Santa, like, supply me with a broken version of something? This feels bugged to me. I feel like most of my deaths have been from nothing. Snowballs appearing out of thin air, things you can't see until it's too late. What? Nothing. There was nothing there. What?
So that's funny. But as I remember, it was just very 8-bit.
Yeah, it's still a bunch of bleeps and bloops at the end of the day.
It's quite cool.
I don't know how all those presents spawned, but I'm not gonna complain.
Oh look, you've made something. Made a doll, a rag doll. Look at that. You've made a rag doll out of all them presents. Solid.
Now, if only I can find the door, that would be something.
Give me the door. I need the door. I've got a rag doll, but I'm sort of pleased it don't look like that.
I have no idea where the door is.
Yeah. I don't know why. I'm gonna say go straight down.
That's the door I came in.
Does that take you back out? Yeah. So only polar bear rooms that have presents. Oh no! Oh, you got them. Well done.
Yeah, just dug them.
The polar bear's got trapped in the snow. That one don't know what it's doing. Look at it. It's crazily going around.
It's stuck in a perpetual loop.
I like that. That's cool. Right, so you must have to. I think maybe you have to break the wall at bottom. You know, with snow. Or like you've just crushed them. I think you have to break the wall at bottom to get through to the bottom. Yeah. So it might be you've got to trick some of those characters to come down there to get them. Nah, it still didn't do it, did it? No idea then. I've played it.
I don't know, like, I'm confused about the whole thing.
See, this is what kids did in 80s, Jack. We wore cool clothes, listened to cool music, and played games like this.
Like I can already see the comments on this one. Like, oh, this guy can't. This dumb Zoomer can't figure out something I did when I was 5.
Well, that's the only thing I can think of is crushing somewhat down there. So waiting under a thing for one of them to come along and drop it snow on the head.
Ah!
I think I don't know what that worked. Anyway, on good news side, we did have a bit of snow over here this morning, which was quite nice to wake up to and see. It has been freezing cold all day. It's like multiple heaters on now in the room. Usually we only have one on, but today we have both on. But yeah. I didn't see any polar bears though. Or penguins. Oh, no, I didn't do it though, did it? Oh.
Is it the penguins that drop loads of presents?
Oh,
yep.
Wow. Yeah. Get them presents. Oh, watch the polar bear. Oh, watch him. Chasing you.
Now I have to wonder, I do have to wonder, can I go back?
Oh.
Can I just go back in the door I came in?
Right, we're going to try it then. Oh no! We've got the ragdoll and it didn't work. No! Oh my god. I like the way that it just says time score men. They're not women, they're just men. Let's have men in our game. Well, that's funny, isn't it? Because it's like now it would just say lives or something, but it actually says men there, which is really, really weird. So yeah. There you go. Dougie thought it was just for men. Help Dougie. I wonder what Dougie's doing now. I might have a look, see if he's on Wiki. Let's have a look for him on Wikipedia.
I couldn't even tell you what happened there. I think one of the presents just killed him. No, that just takes me back to room 1.
So is there another... Oh, there's another door there. Right.
Now we know where we need to go if we feel like going in actual numerical order.
I like it that somebody put on Doug Turner, the legend, who gave us excellent alternative to Boulder Dash, aka Icicle Works. He's a legend. There you go.
Room 1 again.
I always like this game, so yeah. Oh no! Or the snowstorm or whatever it is. I think it's a snowstorm that's in them blue boxes. You have to leg it fast. Oh!
Like if this were on the NES or something, I would have straight up called this a Nintendo Power game.
Oh, look at polar bear's positioned up there. Oh no, penguin, no. Wow, this one's quite complicated. So this is room 6. So yeah, this is a rough one, guys. This is a rough room.
Thing is, I don't need to make a map.
Yeah, because some kind person's put them all on the internet for us.
A lot of it is barely legible, but it is there.
So we can have a
From like full size. Yeah, I think you said you just use the joystick for this game, but yeah, I had like the most complicated time trying to like figure out the controls. Like,
yeah, you had a bit of an headache. Jack nearly getting up.
Like P and L, are up and down. What kind of sense does that make?
I mean, to be fair, if you didn't have a joystick, if you weren't rich enough to have a joystick for your Commodore 64+4, then you actually ended up using keys, which were hard. They were hard work. Oh no, snowstorm's coming. No! It's worse when you get...
Can I make this not stop?
No, you can't.
Please?
You can only do it with if you put boulders in place. I think you're going to get snowed in there somehow. I know you went past it. No!
Yes, I'm going there.
Oh no. Run out of time as well. But you were already dead. You were a dead man standing there. Oh, that was a shame.
I just want to get in.
Just let me in the house, please. Like Oliver. Room 2. Room 2, please. Come on, snowstorm's already escaping before you even get anywhere. Oh, well done.
Room 3.
Yeah. Oh, nice run. You're gonna just go away from without that. Scary stuff. Yeah, fuzzy. Oh no!
Wait. like these snowballs make like no sense. Like, wait. Like, I just don't trust anything at all.
It's like you move and everything falls. It's like, no. So you see the things on YouTube where somebody opens the door and all snow falls off the roof and covers them. It looks like fun, doesn't it? But I would imagine it's really horrible. Oh, no. Everything's loose. What's the other way? Tricky, that one.
I don't even know what happened.
Okay. Snow just followed you all the way down there. Oh.
Why is it spawning so fast now?
No. Oh. You got a roller skate and everything.
I'm not doing anything differently in that room, yet the water spreads like far quicker than it did the last time.
Yeah.
RNG in a Christmas game. Like, it didn't even spread that fast before, but
No, it's going faster, isn't it? I think the only way to do it is to go
What-
out to the room and get back.
is there any reason for this? Of course not.
No. No, you're not allowed to get in there. I know. They let me out.
Is
but
there
it
like a
work.
Where's the suicide key?
No.
How do you commit suicide?
Yeah, because on here it does say suicide.
Kill yourself, idiot!
Oh, it's flashing. We're nearly there. Ooh. It is going fast, that snow there. I don't know. I think what I used to do is go out of the room and then come back in again. Go into easier level and then come back in. But I don't know whether that makes any difference. Oh, oh no, he's stuck. I know. It's blood up in a sea of blue snow. Yeah, we don't have to do a special key for it, one. I like where it shows you a big cassette on there. No, that's still not doing it. It's annoying because I think in some ways if you trap like that, you should just explode, shouldn't it? Dougie should have put that mechanism in there where you just explode because you're trapped, so there's no way you're going to get out, no matter what you do. And end it there, Jack.
I need therapy.
So there you have it. This 1985 game. It's not because it's that difficult, it's because it was difficult to get it to run properly. But it were, I remember it were quite hard back in there. So, well, there you go. That is our Christmas Icicle works, which we thought might be short anyway, but yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, get on there, download it on that emulator if you're interested. And yeah, tune in next time for more Icicle works or something.
Yep. Please post videos of you playing way better than me. I cannot play it to save my life.
And there you have it, from the man himself. Admitted defeat. There you go. Thanks for watching. That was your Trash Game Thursday, but yeah, it's not really a trash game. So, and Jack's just gonna now go and, I don't know. He's done. I've done with it. Right, thank you.